Want to make Korean baseball AI trend video? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily make Korean AI baseball trend. First thing first, you need to head over to any of the web browser and move into ChatGPT. Click on this plus icon and tap on Add Photos and Files and move into Photo Library. It will open up your gallery. From here, choose any of the photo in which you want to make the Korean baseball AI trend. Once selected, tap on Add. Once the video has been uploaded here, now you need to paste this prompt. Well, you can copy and paste the prompt from the video itself. Once you have entered the prompt, click on the send icon. Now you need to wait for the ChatGPT to generate the photo as per your need. Wait for a few minutes and it will get you the photo. Well, there you go, the photo has been generated. Simply save this picture into your gallery. Once it has been saved, now you need to head over to CapCut. Once you're inside CapCut, click on New Video. Select the AI photo that you have just saved and then tap on Add. Now you have to click on this AI photo. Swipe left and click on AI Video. In this page, you have to click on Model. Simply select VO3. Once you have selected the VO3 model, now you need to write this prompt. Once you have entered, click on Generate at the bottom of the screen. But in order for you to generate, you must need 320 credits. And you will only receive this credit if you join CapCut Premium. Without the credit, you will not be able to generate this video. So once you have joined CapCut Pro, click on Generate at the bottom. And then the video will be generated as per your need, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can make Korean AI baseball trend. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.